Hi, I'm Shengze.
Hi, I'm Sanchen. We are from Malaysia.
During COVID-19 pandemic, food industry faces challenges in food handling to reduce risk of transmission of virus, which requires higher automation in soft robotics. We created soft origami-inspired 3D print-in-place AI robot.
Our goal is to develop 3D print-in-place easy assembly under actuated soft origami-inspired grippers and a Lego robot with AI capability to grasp various kinds of objects with high repeatability under different conditions and mobility. All origami shapes are 3D print-in-place with minimal assembly points.
We designed the origami zigzag folding design in Fusion Desk 360 with a 60-degree slant that allows flexure hinge movement. Each grasping force has compliance effect from the logarithmic decaying grasp force. Its grasping performance achieved an accuracy of 0.94 and is affected by grasping force, robot arm speed, and weight.
Artificial intelligence is used for object classification. We acquired various objects from Jetson Nano camera, followed by generating features and training. We perform tests on different neural networks to ensure the best object classification. After classifying the object, it can adjust the grasping force and robot arm speed according to the object characteristics.
3D print-in-place soft origami Lego robot is designed and modeled based on Theo Jensen's leg design. It is made with 10 origami flexure joints with thin area of 0.4 mm. Compared to a rigid hard legged robot, it requires less assembly time and effort, has the ability to regain its original legged shape repeatedly, survive multiple drop tests, and displays rebounds and compliance behavior.
We strongly believe that the usage of soft origami robots with AI can minimize human-to-human contact in food handling. Thank you.